Hey everyone, what's up? Miss Whitaker here, and today we'll be talking about page 1 of the Earth Science Reference Table, specifically the specific heat section, no pun intended. What you'll see is a list of materials on the left-hand side and the specific heat on the right-hand side. The specific heat indicates how much energy it takes for 1 gram of the substance to raise 1 degree Celsius, and is listed in order from the highest specific heat down to the lowest specific heat. In this case, you'll see that liquid water has the highest specific heat at 4.18 joules per gram degree Celsius. In this case, joules indicates a unit of energy. So liquid water having the highest specific heat means that it'll take longer for water to heat up and cool down than it will for the metals like lead. A great example of this would be a pool in the summertime. In the summer, you'll see that the air temperature will rise pretty quickly if the sun is out, and the pool temperature will stay relatively cool. But at nighttime, the temperature of the air will drop much faster than the temperature of the water, and the water will feel relatively warmer. On the other hand, at the bottom of the table, we have our metals. So iron, for example, only takes 0.45 units of energy to raise 1 degree Celsius for 1 gram of iron. A good example of this would be roasting a marshmallow. Now, we know the marshmallow cooks because of radiation from the fire and then convection through the atmosphere. But if you ever touch the metal skewer too quickly after taking a marshmallow off, it's really hot, but only for a short period of time. So that's about it for this table. It's pretty simple, really. If you're taking Miss Whitaker's Regents Earth Science class, you'll be getting a practice packet to practice with this table, so please go ahead and do that. For everyone else, I hope this was useful, and I will see you next time.